how to edit your page available hours on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your page available hours on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, and then here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it. Scroll down until you find pages and select your page, and here just click about, and here you will find this one. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.